Hello, dear viewers. After a long search, I finally found my good pump for the vacuuming of the swimming pool. This pump is completely separate and mobile. The pump has a power of 1 HP and can easily suck up the water itself, as long as you only fill the pump with water once. It really is a very nice and solid pump. I bought it on the internet from Spain. Here in the Netherlands, you pay between 500 and 800 euros for this pump. That is really too expensive. So after a long search, I found a web shop from Spain, and there this pump was only 347 euros. It is ideal for sucking very fine dirt out of the water that my regular filter cannot filter out. If you have used Flow-C to bind dirt from the water, such as sunscreen, with this I can suck that out of the water, and the water will be very blue and clean. I just have to put a plug on it myself. That's okay.
Yeah.
This is also handy. I use Wi-Fi plugs so you can turn the vacuum cleaner on and off with your phone. Sometimes you're lucky and you have handy adapters that fit this pump exactly. I love it when a plan works out the way I want. Well, let's test it. Fill the pump with water. The pool is still very clean, so I don't have to vacuum it yet. Yes, here it comes. It works. Yes. Did you like this video? Like and subscribe for more fun videos about my pool and projects around it. Thank you.